pressure on right now. Go that way. Go back that way. Right? So when you lock it in now, that now I'm going nowhere, my G, trust me. But I can't even go back over one more if you want to rap. I'm going to write that someone and I'm a little small tie, you know? Hardcore. Ready for the road, you know?
Good shit.
Oh! Spoken anytime next start up. Just sing a bike every time we start up. Phone on a ring like every call. We're gone up in the sky, yeah, all up. Spoken anytime next start up. Just sing a bike every time we start up.
And to the guns. Better. Bam! Have you been to Canada, sir?
Yeah, I've been to Toronto, but I've never been to Montreal. So it's gonna be my first time going to Montreal.
Let's get it, let's get it.
Let's see what's going on out there.
Road trip, you already know. Yeah, this is it. Buns, let's get it. Alright, now we're going back on the road.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, when we get there.
the right to 4058, Auto 10 West, Montreal Centre, Power Bay Service. Then use the left two lanes to stay to the left to Auto Route 10 West, Montreal Centreville.
Welcome to Canada. Philip. We out here.
Outside.
We outside.
In 2 points.
You about to get licked down, bro. That man about to get licked down. And then those boys
Montreal, bro. Montreal. Yeah, the boys is out, everything. We outside, bro.
Damn, you know what I should have did, right?
Yeah, we gotta go back upstairs.
Hello. What's up? Okay.
All right, so right now we're outside. We're out here in Montreal. You know how we do it? He's performing tonight.
Oh, who, me? Oh, the blood clot, you know. Yeah, man, me then at Montreal, man. Probably sing a one song, maybe two. We don't know what happened. Like a special guest thing, you know?
You already know.
Barbecue, and it can have like a big barbecue on top of it. Yeah, and it can have a put it on the other side.
Bad gear. Hold on, let me show you how we put on all the gear, you know what I'm saying? You can't even have a split. Yeah. Yeah, cool out down there, bum clot. Hitting them, you know? Up top. Yo, here's what we're doing now. Yeah, give me an IG photo now, dude.
Yeah, tomorrow. Have a good time.
They want the Canadians.
You like being out?
It's called, yeah, called what?
See, as a photographer, you have to get the subjects to, you know, be comfortable in the surroundings that we're trying to capture that image. All right, that's great, perfect, beautiful.
Action!
In the 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
I thought we were in the 6.
6 is Toronto.
Toronto.
6 is
Oh, okay.
Get your shit together, my dude.
I'm gonna get my shit together.
Can't be out here talking about the 6 and the 4.
Yeah, we had the 4.
Yeah. Don't hit your fucking 9.
We had the 4. We died in the 6. Like you said, hit you in the 9. Got it.
Outside.
Outside, we outside.
In 2.5.